Welcome to this Stack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to fix unable to download files on Android. Download error can occur due to storage issue, mobile network problems, or app permission settings. First, check your internet connection and switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Next, ensure you have enough storage space by going to Settings and go to Storage. If the storage is low, delete unnecessary files or uninstall unused apps. Also check download permission by going to Settings and App and go to Permission and enable storage permission if available. If the issue continues, clear the cache for the browser or download app. Let's say I have problem downloading from Chrome. Just go to Apps and search for Chrome. Scroll down and go to Storage, click on Clear Cache, and finally, restart your phone and try downloading the file again. And that's it. We just learned how to fix download issue on Android by checking storage space, enabling permission, and clearing cache. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next Stack tutorial videos.